Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot training, Scorpios. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Scorpios. So these are for your daily energy, Scorpios. For your love energy and career situation, I'll be picking cards from another deck, guys. So this is for your career situation, Scorpios. This is for your love energy, and one card from the angel guidance deck. So that is the card, and I will leave it here, guys. So we will turn these cards now for your daily energy for Scorpios. It's Four of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Death in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you have that dedication and towards anything that you do. So you are a person of firm conviction. You progress in a particular way when you feel that inspiration to do so. So it may be something with your work situation or your personal life. So whatever you feel you need to do, you are very responsible and you progress towards that path. And you are a person of great confidence and cheerfulness, and you are having that skills and abilities to handle any situation effectively, guys. So you are celebrating something, some kind of success, a beginning of some new project or some new path, and you are seeing success within reach and you are celebrating this success. This may be something in your work or something in your personal life, something to do with your work or personal life, guys. And I also see here in certain path or certain work circumstances or in something you are quite lethargic. You have that lethargic energy. You are not completing certain things, maybe leaving something incomplete, or maybe for some of you it may even be some kind of sickness you may be experiencing. So that may be the reason that certain things are not going as expected. So some kind of sickness on your part, or some kind of lethargy, or that lack of interest may be the reason for certain things not going as planned. So maybe some completion of some projects or some deals, you are taking time, relaxing before you complete. So let us see what is the card with the career. So we picked one card exclusively for your career situation, guys. So let us see the card here. Four of Fire. This card stands for celebration here, guys, again. So you have that happiness today in your career situation. So something is progressing in a positive way in your career. Maybe you are assigning some important collaborations, making some important deals, business collaborations, something of that sort, and you are enjoying this new start of some project or some path in your career and happy for it. That is what I see here with this card, guys, Scorpios. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Eight of Water. So with this card for your relationship, guys, you just you are thinking deeply about this person and about this connection, and you are questioning yourself whether you need this person, whether you need this connection. So whether this connection is worth for you. Maybe what you see about this person on the surface, the way they behave or the way they look, or even that intimate moments, whatever you had, whatever that showed about that person. So you're thinking whether you need this person in your life, and you have a view about that ideal person in your mind, and you are trying to compare it with that, and you are thinking about this connection, whether what you are seeing about this person and what you know about this person is the truth about them or not. So you have that, you are working towards that deep understanding today, Scorpios. So maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person is not worthy enough, or this person is not good enough for you. So what you see about them may not be what you like. So you are simply wondering whether to go forward with this connection, whether to be in this connection, guys. So that is what I see. You are trying to be true to your heart, what you truly feel in your heart of hearts. So that may be the reason that you are thinking whether it is right, this connection is right or wrong. So that deep thought is there, guys. That is what this card stands for. So you are thinking deeply about this connection. So that may be the reason we got this card. So this card, we were thinking, I was talking about some kind of waiting, relaxing, or lethargy. Maybe this person is coming forward with proposal or deep commitment, but you are thinking, you are not responding because you want to be true to yourself. So you want to make that move only if you are confident about it. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what is your angel guidance. Speak from the heart. So with this card, we were just speaking that we have to be truthful to ourselves. Again, that is the guidance, guys. So whatever we feel in our heart of hearts, we should be able to relate that in our life. So when we speak that truth and what we think in ourselves about any circumstance or about any person without hurting that other person, guys, when we speak openly and honestly, and when we allow that other person to also do that when we are in a relationship, when we speak truth and when that other person also speaks truth, we honor and empower that relationship, guys, and that relationship will be based on truth. So we have to go for that, and we have to be our authentic self, whatever our situation may be. So that is what this card is about, and that is a guidance, the angel oracle guidance for us today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.